Hi, this is Corey from Crop Chocolate, and I'm going to show you how to make a Tri-Shutter album. And this Tri-Shutter album is made with two Tri-Shutter cards, and I'm just going to open this album up and you can see what it is. And so it opens up like this, and then up like that. So it's actually very nice. It's got room for 4x6 photos and some wallets in here. You could even put some larger photos here or some journaling tags. It's actually very versatile and has a lot of information, and plus it's so pretty. Okay, so to start with, you're going to take a sheet of 12 by 12 cardstock and you're going to cut it in half, and you're going to make two shutter cards. So I'm going to show you how to make one. So you score it at 2, 4, 8, and 10. Which is just like a regular shutter card. The only thing that's really different here is that this is 12 by 6 inches instead of the regular 12 by 5. And then next, we're going to take our paper trimmer and we're going to score in between the score lines at 1.5 inches each. Okay, so you score from 2 to 10. You cut from 2 to 10 rather. You could use a craft knife for this too, but if you've got a trimmer like this and you know how to use it, this actually works out quite easily. So, okay, so here you go. So to make the shutter card, first we're going to fold this one in, and then this one comes out. And this one goes in, out, so Mountain Valley. This then goes in. This one goes in, this will go out, you don't fold that one, and then you fold this one in. Okay, so here I folded it out. These two are in, these two are out. These are in, and then on this side, this is out and this is in. So it's always opposite, and your card will fold up to be a 4 by 6. You obviously want to score. You want to crease everything with your bone folder just to make it nice and sharp. And then you have a second one that you did, and I've done it up in advance. And they're basically going to be joined together like this. So I'm going to show you how you finish the rest of the pieces for the card. So you take a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock and you cut it in half. And then from that, you cut two 6 by 12 pieces of cardstock and you score them at 2 inches in. And this is going to be your cover because this is now 4 by 6. From the remaining 6 by 12 piece, you cut it at 4 inches and you will have a 4 by 12 piece for your back and then a 4 by 6 piece along the front panel. The back part of the thing that holds them together. Okay, so you take your two shutter cards, for lack of a better word, and fold them here. And then you're going to take this 4 by 6 piece that I mentioned and you're going to use that and join them up together. Now your album goes together like this, and then you're going to take your 6 by 6 pieces where you've scored them along the 2-inch mark. You're going to crease that with the bone folder. 1, 2, and you're actually going to put adhesive along here, and you're going to tuck it underneath here, and this will become your cover pieces. So now you have the basics of the album done. Okay, just going to tweak that little score line there. Now for the back piece, you'll see that it's kind of this lumpy and bumpy thing, and then that's what this remaining piece does. It goes along and it covers it up. The only thing I would caution you on is how you want to do your closure. You could do a magnet closure like I did with this one, and I'll show you how to do that quickly. Or you could do a ribbon closure, and if that's the case, you want to make sure that you get your ribbon on this tied in around here before you put that last piece on, otherwise you will see the ribbon. So to do the magnet closure, what I did is I put this magnet on underneath the paper before I had decorated it and covered it up with something else. So I'm just going to put that on there, and I'm going to show you how this works. It's actually really easy. So the magnet's on this side, and I've got a front decal piece, a die cut, and I've only put adhesive on half of it. So obviously if you put it on both sides, it would stick. So here it is. Now what I want to do is I want to be able to, for this to grab and find the magnet that I've placed underneath here. So what I do is I've just put that magnet piece on there and wait for it to kind of grab, and you'll feel it grab. And when you feel it grab, you peel this back, peel back your magnet, leave the magnet grabbing where it is, and then just pat it down. So there you have. Now all you would have to do is you would have to cover this up with pattern paper, and you just decorate and embellish the album as you want. And I'll show you mine again where you can't see the magnet underneath. See? It's all hidden underneath here actually. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.